Hello, my name is Jordan Call, and today we are going to talk about who Turner Elementary is and what we stand for. So our school mission is achieving success by expecting the best from everyone. We will collaborate, understand, and appreciate differences, be innovative, and strive for growth. We are Cubs. We are a Title I school located in Kansas City, Kansas, District USD 202. We have 631 students enrolled with 46 certified teachers. All teachers are 100% certified and 100% highly qualified. When we look at our building breakdown, we have 79% of our students who are economically disadvantaged, with 21% being non-economically disadvantaged. So we serve an area that is economically hurting, a poorer area. It's, very urban. And so we have to take that into consideration on a daily basis. When we look at the ethnicity breakdown, we are 43% Hispanic, 36% Caucasian, and 14% African American, and then with 8% being other. We have a little over 45% of female students, and then at about 51% male students, so we're slightly heavier with male students. We have 25% of our students as ELL students, with 75% being non-ELL. We have 11% of students with learning disabilities of some sort, and then 90% with no disability. So now we're going to look at our math and reading performance for 2017, which was gotten from the school report card. So basically, level 1 indicates that a student shows a limited ability to understand math and reading skills needed for college and career readiness. Level 2 takes it a step higher, and it shows that they have the basic ability to understand these things. And then level 3 takes it to an effective ability to understand these reading and math skills for college and career readiness. So in math, at the lower level, so for limited ability, we have 29% of our students in this category. Majority of our students fall in level 2, which is a basic ability to understand math and reading concepts. And then in level 3, we have 23%. So that's showing that 23% of our students show an effective ability for college and career readiness in math. When we look over here at reading, we see that 34% of our students fall in level 1, which is the majority currently, meaning that majority of our kids have a limited ability to understand reading concepts needed for college and career readiness. And then it's closely followed by level 2 at 33%, showing that they have the basic ability for college and career readiness, with 27% at level 3. So we definitely see a heavier load of our students towards the lower end, towards the limited to basic ability for both math and reading, which can be quite alarming, because then we ask ourselves, are we doing everything we can to make sure that they are college and career ready? And so we'll look at some more data down here later on. 5 essential survey results on ambitious instruction. So the 5 essential survey is a survey that we give to parents, students, and teachers, and it is an anonymous survey where we rate things about the school community, culture, different things like that. And so when we look at ambitious instruction, our school came out as neutral. So ambitious instruction means that classes are challenging and engaging. It's clear, well-structured, and encourages students to build and apply knowledge. And it has the most direct effect on student learning. It is well-defined with clear expectations for student success. It's interactive and encourages students to build and apply knowledge. It's well-paced, not measured, and aligned across grades. Again, not measured. So our school received a score of 58 on ambitious instruction. So this means that we are in the neutral area. So when we take a closer look down here at the different areas, we see that our English instruction came out at 55, which was neutral. Our math came out at 46, which is neutral. Our academic press came out at 75, which is really strong. Our quality of student discussion came out at 54, which is neutral. So majority of our students, teachers, parents, community feel that we are doing a good job of ambitious instruction in all of these areas, particularly in the academic press. And we give this twice a year during fall and spring so that we can analyze the results and compare them to one another and make changes to our school improvement plan to make things even better. Now we're going to look at our winter 2017 to 2018 NWEA MAP results. So we take the MAP test in fall, winter, and spring each year, and every grade level takes it. So the graph I'm showing you now is our students at or above the norm grade level mean RIT. So down here it's broken down into grade levels. So kindergarten, the blue is math, the red is reading. So only 35% of our kids are at that grade level mean, and 37 are at it for reading. And then you can see the other grade level percentages here. Obviously a lot lower than what we would like. We would like to see them closer to the grade level mean RIT to show that they are learning and showing growth and all of that. But when we take a closer look down here, this is a graph on students with valid growth test scores. So they might not be at the mean RIT for their grade level. However, majority of our students are showing valid growth at the level that they are at. So we can see here in kindergarten, we're at 92 and 93% for math and reading, showing the growth that they need, so very high percentage. For grade levels 1, 2, and 3, there's 100% in both math and reading for growth, which is great. That means all students are showing the growth that they need to on the test. They might not be at that mean grade level, but they're showing the growth at the level that they need to succeed. Grade level 4 is at 90 and 89%, and then grade level 5 is at 94% for both math and reading. So we would definitely want to take a closer look at kindergarten, 4th grade, and 5th grade to see what we can do to get those up to 100%, because regardless of what level a student performs at, they should still be making growth, adequate growth, so that they are getting those gains that they need to succeed later on. So what does all this mean? Well, we have some steps to improvement, okay? So here are some things we need to consider. We need to analyze data results frequently. We need to utilize this information and data to improve instruction in the classroom. We need to participate and collaborate in our weekly TLT meetings. We need to communicate what is currently working in the classroom and what is not working, and how can we change that to make it better. We need to frequently ask ourselves, what do the students know and what do they not know? Because then we can take our instruction a step further and make it a lot more purposeful and meaningful. And then one of the most important things that I consider is just being a reflective teacher and knowing, is what you're doing working or is it not working, and how you can make those changes to help students succeed. And if we do these things, then we can ensure that we will show growth in our math and reading areas, and we can get those data points soaring. Thank you.